What you are seeing here is possibly the biggest ruins in Georgetown. Most people would know this building as the Shih Chung Branch School, although to be precise, the school has moved out of it a long time ago. In fact, Shih Chung Branch School is just one of its many names. To me, I will always refer to it as Goh Chan Lau, which means the five-story building in Penang Hokkien. I happened to pass by it one late evening and decided to take some videos, and after the intro, I will tell you the story of the Goh Chan Lau.
Penang, I feel your heart. You got that special part. Penang, you are so beautiful. In your streets I roam. In your charms I'm home.
Hello and welcome to Discover with Timothy. So, as I mentioned earlier, this building was originally known in Penang Hokkien as Goh Chan Lau. It was called by that name because when it was built, it was the first five-story mansion in Penang. Its name in English was the Chinese Residency because it was the residency of the tycoon Cheah Tek Soon of Goh Tek Soon. Located at 11 Northern Road, which is today Jalan Sultan Ahmad Shah, its architecture is a distinctive fusion of British and Chinese styles. The building has passed through many hands. In 1908, it was sold to Tycoon of Jalan Tycoon, who was the Chinese vice consul of Penang. Since then, its use has changed. Being so huge, it was large enough to house a hotel or even a boarding house. In 1916, a British couple, Mr. and Mrs. Brunel Norman, used it as a hotel called Hotel Normand. By the 1920s, Hotel Normand had closed down and it was taken over by the Bellevue boarding house. Later on, but still in the 1920s, it became Raffles, though I'm not sure whether that's the name of a hotel or a boarding house, but I guess it was a hotel. Later on, Raffles was renamed to Raffles by the Sea, which I believe was also a hotel. Throughout that period, the landlord was the tycoon Tai Ki-yun. But none of the hotel ventures survived for long, and eventually Tai Ki-yun and fellow tycoon Leong Fei passed it on to be used as the Shih Chung School, with the Piju Girls' School occupying the upper floor. Then, in the 1950s, Shih Chung School moved out and the government English school moved in. After that, the Shih Chung School opened a branch here, and so the Shih Chung Branch School occupied it until 1994. A year before that, the building was sold to Malaysia Vegetable Oil Refinery Sdn Bhd, and for a while there was a proposal to redevelop it as a columbarium, which was widely opposed by the people. Since then, the building was just left to the elements, while its ground have been used as an open-air car park up to today. Will Goh Chan Lau reclaim its former glory and become an upscale hotel one day? That's what I would love to see, but only time could tell. And with that, we've gotten to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to Discover with Timothy so that I can bring you some more discovery videos. And until we meet again, this is Timothy signing out.
With the waves that play and the nights that sway, Penang, you take my breath away. Every smile so bright in your city light. Penang, I feel your heart. I feel you got that special part. It's special. Penang, you are so beautiful. In your streets I roam. In your charms I'm home. In your charms